Hi, I'm Stacey Ritter, and I'm an assistant professor of accounting in the Levy School of Business. I think I initially got interested in doing sustainability within my course because I teach a section of students that are non-business majors. And one year I had a lot of the students were sustainability minors. And they kept saying, well, this is all good and important financial information, but what impacts are the company having on the world and our sustainable goals? And taking that feedback and then going to the workshop and learning more about how to integrate that into my own course, I feel like the students see it highlighted across all of the curriculum that I have now. It reframes how they think about all of the financial issues that a company would have, or the ways that they might invest, or the types of companies that they might want to work for after they graduate. Well, the biggest thing that I learned in the workshop was the importance of tying your existing learning outcomes directly to the established sustainability goals that are already out there, like the United Nations goals to the Catholic and Jesuit goals, and even here at home, our Santa Clara goals of building a more sustainable world. Whereas before the workshop, I felt like I was always really interested in wanting to incorporate sustainability reporting into my course. I think the biggest hesitation could be, how would I fit that into an already really packed course? And maybe I might, it might be off topic to bring in sustainability. But what I found that the workshop was really good at is teaching professors, how to integrate these larger goals into the existing course learning outcomes that you already have. And that made me feel like I could now clearly articulate how valuable and this new course content is and the purpose of it. And I even felt like it made the existing course content come alive for the students. When students are presenting both the financial statement analysis and the sustainability reports and all the efforts that the companies are doing within the same industry, they start to see really stark differences. And I even had one student say something like, it seems like the type of companies that are better at communicating or meeting their sustainability targets are also just better run companies. And that was a great opportunity to say your intuition is exactly what the research shows in accounting, is that there are these links between sustainability reporting and making movement on important issues that investors care about and other outcomes like operating performance. So I would tell others that are even considering attending the workshop just a little bit that they should just jump on in. The course is structured to be incredibly open-ended, and it allows you to go in any direction you would like with the content. And for how little time that you spend actually doing the workshop, the return on your investment is really high.